Welcome to the University of Maine. You're a black bear now, a college student. That's really different than being a high schooler. I know it's a little bit nerve-wracking. I know it's a little scary, but you're going to do fine. This is an experience where you're going to make a difference. When you leave college, you're going to be a thinker, a doer, an actor. You're going to be the people who change the world. You're going to be the people that can make things happen. That's exciting. And while you're here, I want you to open your arms up to the whole experience. Meet people different than yourselves, ask questions, get your problems resolved. Think about yourself as a global citizen. College is a remarkable experience. Come, try every little bite of this buffet. Let's go, we'll try it out. Come on. Oh, you're back. Well, welcome. You've had a wonderful ride, haven't you? Seen all sorts of things happening at the university. This is a really exciting place. There's so much to do that you might feel overwhelmed, but you don't have to be. It's really a small community. Everybody's here to support each other. Your RAs, the student orientation leaders, all of us in student affairs, we're here to support you. This is an experience of a lifetime. Open your arms up to it. This is your college.